In today's world, more and more people speak about the power of positive thinking. It is a concept that has a very high view of human nature and ability. Its advocates teach that the human mind has the power to turn wishes into reality through optimism. In other words, the power of positive thinking refers to the power of creating thoughts, which create and focus energy into reality. To bring into creation a positive outcome, which you see as a benefit to yourself or others. Positive thinking is a mental attitude that admits into the mind thoughts, words and images that are conducive to growth, expansion and success. It is a mental attitude that expects good and favorable results. A positive mind anticipates happiness, joy, health and a successful outcome of every situation and action. Whatever the mind expects, it finds. This is a powerful tool that everybody has, but a lot of people are not aware of it. Positive thinking includes 4 pillars. 1. Our innate capability to produce desired outcomes with positive thoughts. 2. Having belief in possibilities even when the facts seem to indicate otherwise. 3. Making creative choices. 4. Meeting problems head-on. Everything in the world of form is preceded by a thought. Thoughts are not in the world of form, form is not in the world of thought. But one actually precedes the other in all cases. If one wishes to affect form, one must work with cause, not effect. Thought is cause, form is effect, and when we work in the realm of thought, choosing a negative one or a positive one will influence the outcome. Simply put, we live in a world of cause and effect. For every cause there is an effect, and every effect has to have a cause. Everything that happens in this world forms as an effect, the cause being thoughts. These thoughts affect the whole universe. And each thought once generated and sent out becomes independent of the brain and mind and will live upon its own energy depending upon its intensity. All of our feelings, beliefs and knowledge are based on our internal thoughts, both conscious and subconscious. We are in control, whether we know it or not. We can be positive or negative, enthusiastic or dull, active or passive. These attitudes are maintained by the inner conversations we constantly have with ourselves, both consciously and subconsciously. Mystics have long held that we do, in fact, control our reality, not just the little things in life, but everything. We create our entire world by the way we think. Thoughts are the causes and conditions are the effects. Our circumstances and conditions are not dictated by the world outside. It is the world inside us that shapes the outside. Our so-called errors are merely opportunities to grow. We should channel and control our thoughts to our inner development. We should be the one who decide what thoughts entering our mind. We should grow.